Okay, but like maybe not every problem has a solution. I think a lot of people could do very well to understand and accept the reality that even when people are getting things wrong, and even when it might affect you a little bit, you don't need to solve their problems. That you don't need to be the person who fixes the fact that, I don't know, their employee doesn't do exactly the right thing. You don't need to fix the fact that, your co-parent doesn't exactly co-parent the same way you do. They don't cut the crusts off the peanut butter and jelly sandwich the same way that you do. Or another good example of this is the fact that you don't need to fix the fact that maybe your children don't like the other parent. That's kind of not enough. The fact that your co-parent doesn't like their other parent doesn't mean you get to breach the right of your children to have their father, and it doesn't mean you get to breach the right of a parent to have their children, right? So if you come along telling me like that he shouldn't have or she shouldn't have equal time sharing because they don't like him, they don't like their mom, I'm going to tell you that's a loser in court. I mean, it is. And if you try to tell me that, but they're going to be unhappy when they're there, that's also a loser in court. Plenty of people have had lives and parents that they don't like. And imagine if the two of you were in an intact marriage, right? The two of you are still together in a relationship together, whatever, however it's working in your family dynamic. And one of your children went, I don't really like my parents. You think someone can just swoop in and become their parent? Make it make sense.